Almost immediately, the Articles of Confederation proved that they were going to have a difficult time existing. Almost right away, the ratification of the Articles was delayed. The states didn't approve of them right away because there was a conflict between the states over land in the West. So the United States gained a lot of territory out in the West, all the way over to the Mississippi River. And all the states had competing claims on who controlled that land, which was important because there's a lot of money to be made by selling that land and renting that land. So there was a controversy over who controlled what territories. So the only real success that the Articles had, eventually the ratification went through when they developed a plan for how to handle the westward expansion, the westward land territories. And they passed something called the Land Ordinance and the Northwest Ordinance. The Land Ordinance decided how the land would be distributed, and the Northwest Ordinance set a precedent for how to create states. One interesting thing to note about the Northwest Ordinance is the first time that the federal government tried to prohibit the expansion of slavery into a territory. In fact, slavery was banned in the old Northwest Territory. That would be modern-day Ohio, Illinois, that region. The other interesting thing to note is that new states would come in as equals to the old states. There weren't going to be colonies. The only other real success that Articles of Confederation had was signing to the Treaty of Paris. But as soon as the Treaty of Paris was signed, it became almost immediately apparent that the Articles of Confederation were too weak to successfully hold these 13 new states together.